Here I wanted to show you the T3 airbrush. As you can see, it's roomy, it's pretty large, but it's lightweight. It's got a lot of holes here, so you got good airflow. And just kind of wanted to show you how you can use it. You have 2 speed and 3 temperatures and a cold shot. So I'm going to turn it on real fast here. That's on low. That's on high. So you can create lift and then straighten here. So as you can see, you got a nice, shiny, soft section, and then you got a little bit of curl at the ends. You also have the option of just doing it straight. If you want a sleeker, just straight look, just brush it straight down. What I like about this one is it will pull my hair taut because I have fine hair. So it pulls it a little bit just to help in the straightening and curling process, and it gets it nice and shiny and straight with that little bit of body in it and lift. But for me, I have fine hair that tangles really bad. And I stay away, I've tried mini brushes, but I have to stay away from them because they tangle my hair. But this one does not. So whatever you use for the brush, if you're one of those who don't use them because of the tangling, if you're like me with the fine hair, this is a really good option because I'm really happy with that. Especially for, it just gives you a really pretty look, a blowout look, and really impressed.